Hello, YouTube. I spared you the grief of tearing this apart, but basically I had a few problems. I had a problem with a pin coming out of here. Didn't screw up this. I just had a problem with a pin. I had to slice it in half to get it out. The other pin appears to be okay. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to use to replace that. These bolts just need a cleaning. They look like one side's been through shit, the other side hasn't. The inside of this, you can't see it. Here, I'll go like this. It has a little bit of rust in it. Not really. Mostly grime and dirt. I don't know. I think this is. Was it in a desert? I have no idea. I haven't taken. Let me put this back here. I'm not taking this bar out, even though it's worn out in the back. I mean, I could take it out and replace it, but I don't know. The other thing I have a problem with is I have no idea what's up with these jaws. Are the jaws pinned in there and peened in? Or are they screwed in? Or what's the dealio with that? I'm assuming there was a alignment pin here, but do I shave this off and see what happens? I don't know. I mean, I could easily make a new jaw for it. There's clearly no grips on these things. So, same thing with this one, this side here. I know you can't really see it, but I'll try to show you with a flashlight here. If I shine on it, there's basically no screw holes. That is in okay shape. All I really need to do is tap that screw, take a self-tapping and take that one out, which I'm sure will be the biggest pain in the ass of my life. This screw hole works, that screw hole works. Time being, I might just use 2 screws and just leave that one. I don't know. I will have to make a new little bar here. Apparently that's just rounded out and peened on the end, which new skill I gotta learn there. These bolts look like they just need a severe polish. I don't know if I can buff the hell out of it. I guess they're brass or copper. I don't know. I'm not an expert at this. Lots of rust. So this will get cleaned off and polished. These will get cleaned off. This will get cleaned off, and doesn't appear to be massive pitting on it. It just seems to be just a load of crap. Looks pretty straight, not bent. So yeah, anyway, there's an overview of what I got to do. This will be one video, and in the next video I'm gonna have this cleaned off. I'll have this all ground, like not cleaned off. I'll clean off all the parts. I'll wire brush everything, and if I get a chance I'll spray some primer on it. So thanks for watching.